So we are at Ryobi HQ today with this product specialist here, Craig. I've never met anybody so passionate about power tools as this man. He knows everything. So we are going to be using the tools that are part of our revamp for a champ competition. We're going to be playing with the sander today as well as the spray gun. Our project is a melamine door. We're going to show you how we are going to be revamping this. There was an extra hole in here where it had a handle. I use embossing paste and we closed it up. What we are going to do first, Craig, is we are going to give it a light sand to create grip, and then we are going to be spray painting some polka on there, and we're going with duck egg today. Okay, Craig.
Alright, so basically all our tools, the most important thing is we let the tool do the work for you, not you do the work for the tool. And by doing that, following that simple process, your tool will last you forever as well as you'll be working safely. So with the sander, you'll find that the sander comes with sanding paper, and depending on what we have to do, we go according to the grit of the sanding paper. So you'll see this particular sanding paper says P120, that's 120 grit. It's actually a fine sandpaper. When your number or your grit goes down to a lower number like 60, there is more stones and it's much rougher. So we always would start off with a very rough sandpaper, and then when we come to finish, we use the finer sandpaper. Today, because we're only going to do a light sanding, we're only going to use the 120 grit sandpaper. To operate your machine, very simple. It's a battery operated machine. You would connect your battery to it, and then again, this battery fits 227 different tools at the moment. So you buy a battery and a charger, and you can just buy your tools, and your battery will fit onto you.
Right.
So it's very easy to use it. You just basically put it on. What are you going to do?
No, you do it and
So
you start.
you put it on, you'll see vibration of the unit, and you just come onto the surface.
So no need to force it down and...
No, when you force it down, you're actually making the machine become hot, and you're taking the excess stone. It's actually stone that does the sanding part.
Okay.
So once you're comfortable with what you've done, you take a wet cloth, and you first take it off and take all the...
Okay. Can I try?
Yeah. So just an added feature for you, hold the machine up in your hand.
Okay, so our sanding is done. We've created a little bit of a grip here. Thank you very much, Craig. Next up is our spray paint.
Spray paint.
Okay, so I know that when we chatted, you gave us a few tricks about how we work out the consistency and the ratios. So if you can take us through that.
So with a cordless or a electric spray gun, it's quite important. You'll get a viscosity cup with the unit. And what we need to do there is we would take your paint. If it is a water-based paint, we're going to mix it with water. If it is an oil-based paint, we'd mix it with thinner. So we take this viscosity cup, and we're going to scoop up the paint. And we're going to count how long it takes to empty this cup back into the paint. If it says, for instance, you'll see now, but if we say 35 seconds, that it's taken to the thing, we then need to mix it with 35 mils of water. It's a water-based paint to spray it. If it's an oil-based, we would mix it with 35 mils of thinners.
Okay, so 35 mils based on a full container. So to summarize, we've gone through this process, so now it's mathematically proven. It is 70%, 30%. So for this little tin, we are going to be adding 78 mils of water. Yeah. And on a 1 liter, we are going to be adding 310 mils of water. So, and this is a liter. So we are going to be working with a 250 ml, 78 mils of water. So here we go. Oh wow.
Granny B has the perfect shade.
So we have done 1 coat, which obviously needs to dry.
Yeah.
But I can tell just by looking at this, we'll need 1 more coat and then it's done. That's really how easy it is.
Also importantly, if you finish using your spray gun, it's best to clean it as quickly as possible. If you leave it to dry for 5 or 10 minutes, this hole in front here is only a millimeter thick, and if it gets anything on it, your spray will start to
Won't be even, yeah. So just maybe a quick tip also, I've mentioned to you that once I just put together incorrectly and it wasn't, it didn't spray properly. If you can maybe just show us the front here.
So the front part of it, the very first part, if you have a look, this is the adjustment for your different sprays. And then from a cleaning point of view, you can simply take that off. When you get your machine, you've actually got different spray nozzles. So it's a 1.8, a 1.2, a 1.8, and a 2. That'll give you your spray on.
What are we using today?
1.2.
Okay.
So
and that works well. So
and we basically take it off for cleaning purposes, get rid of your excess paint, clean it nicely, put water in it and spray with it for as long as possible to clear it out.
Okay.
And then it's ready for the next one. And just make sure your battery's charged. So you the indicator there.
Okay. 2-coat pony, it is done. How beautiful is this looking? I'm just zoom in on the finish here. So it's got a very smooth finish. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to seal it. Always remember Polka seal, you have to stir it well, which we've done. And then I am using Hamilton's Pro Silk brushes today. It's my favorite brush. So we are going to be sealing it with our Polka seal. Consistency of our sealer is like milk, very watery, easy to apply, beautiful finish. And I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this. Guys, that is how easy it is to redo your kitchen or your bathroom cabinets. I mean, come on. This is DIY for dummies. Because if I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, and we are done. I've done 2 coats of our Polka seal. I'm just going to be popping in this knob and then I can show you the end result. So Craig, I just want to say thank you very much. I wish we could give yourself a number on camera here so that when our customers win and they have any questions, they can contact you. But I don't think you need any more people contacting you.
No, it's actually part of my job.
So Ryobi sponsored us with a spray gun, a sanding machine, and a drill. We did not use the drill today, so I feel like we need to come back to do a drill, have a drill party. Anyway, guys, this is our finished project. How beautiful is our melamine cupboard door looking? And it's super, super easy. Thank you, Ryobi.